Hello there. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots of your product, but most importantly, how to record videos of your product using AI. Now, the tooling that I'm going to use today is called Tidewave, and inside Tidewave, I'm going to use Vision Mode. If you have no clue what Tidewave is, worry not, my friend. I'm going to link 2 full-blown tutorials somewhere here on the YouTube video, and also documentation on the video's description. So let's get started. The first step is let's start our dev server. In my case, I am using a Phoenix server. Now on another tab, let's open our favorite AI coding, agent harness, AI, whatever. In this video, I'm using OpenCode, and I am using the new version of DeepSeek V4 Flash. The first thing that I want to test here is double checking if the Tidewave MCP is connected. So you can type /MCPs and you can see Tidewave connected. So now I'm going to move my browser tab to the left, my coding agent to the right. In my running server, I can refresh, and then I'm going to visit /Tidewave/connect. Now I'm going to start a new session for my agent to drive. Let's click on new session. No agent has used this session, so I'm going to copy the instructions here. I'm going to paste the instructions on OpenCode, and let's see if the agent is able to drive this session. It's using the Tidewave browser eval tool. Okay, you can see here, an agent has used this session. Perfect. The landing page is loaded. You're logged in as Jane Smith, who is an admin, and the page shows a bunch of stuff. Now I'm going to enable vision mode. Down here at the bottom left, you can press vision mode. Let's click allow, and there's a button to copy screenshot instructions. So copy this, paste on your favorite coding agent, and let's type, please take a screenshot of the playlists listing page. All right, it navigated to the playlists page. Please save the screenshot locally. Okay, screenshot saved on this path. Let's copy this. Then on another terminal tab, I'm gonna write open this image. And there you go. We have the screenshot here. That was very easy. What about videos? That's the hard part. Now here you have a couple of options. You can generate a video with some sound effects, like a sound for the agent clicking around and stuff, but with no narration. If you want a full-blown narration, someone talking to the user throughout the video, you can use your ElevenLabs API key. If you have one available, you can click on this gear icon on the top left, and then on General Voice Narration, you can enable this. Paste your ElevenLabs API key here and click Confirm. Okay, I just did that. You can choose the model, choose the voice. I'm gonna keep the defaults for now. So let's close this. And now let's click on Copy Recording Instructions. Go back to my agent, paste this here, and then I'm going to write record a video, and I'm gonna say locally, that proves the playlist creation flow is working. Okay, now let's see the agent driving the browser, see if there are any errors. First, it's exploring the task, finding the playlist creation flow. It's reading a couple of local files. Now I understand the flow. Let me do a quick rehearsal, then record the video. Okay, so now it's doing some pre-testing before actually recording the video, just like as a sanity check. This feels like human behavior, almost like preparing for a presentation before the actual presentation. That is funny. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, this feels like AGI to me. Like, I'm doing nothing. My hands are literally raised, and I am seeing an agent doing all the work for me. Apparently now it's trying to start recording the video, you can see the mouse animation clicking around, filling up the name, the description. Let me see if the create playlist work. That is perfect. Playlist created successfully. The playlist creation flow works. The videos is saved in this location. So let me copy this, open up on this other tab.
Clicking Create Playlist button. Filling in playlist name and description. Submitting the form.
That was absolutely insane. So that's it, folks. Fast and easy way of generating demo videos using AI. And if we go back to OpenCode, check how much money this session costed us. 2 cents. That's right. We probably spent more money on the ElevenLabs API key than the actual video recording itself. So that's it. Let me know what you think about this feature. It is insanely cool in my opinion. And let me know if there are any other Tidewave features you would like to see covered on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.